मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
Jack, plastic crap! You're doing this to me? Who do you think you are, you piece of plastic shit? Bro, you! It is my favorite El Puro movie. It died. What else can I do?
It's probably not plugged in.
What? Dang. No matter. I can buy 100 more. Now, Tommy. Each month, a freelancer sails into Vice City and moors his job. He sells his cargo to the first boat. I want you to take the speedboat and beat all the other shitheads to it. Then you bring the cargo here. Okay?
Let me guess. You thought I could use a guardian angel. I'm just saying, you need to let me in there. You can feed me all this lonely tough guy crap. But I know one day I'm gonna save your ass, and you're probably gonna wanna kiss me.
Stranded in the open, dry tears of sorrow.
So Tommy, we know it was Diaz busted our deal, so why in the hell are we running errands for? The more we learn now, the less we have to learn when we take this town over. I like your style, man. Real quick.
To a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
What's funny about it? By yourself, they're coming from all over. Yeah, that's the damn best we can. Eat it! Eat it! Sleep with the fish! They're coming on that jetty!
Pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Fearless. burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless.